And apparently it's made it up, but it's actually really windy outside for some reason. Apparently there's some sort of storm passing over or something. Carrying on respraying my interior. I've got to take my driver's seat out because I'm an idiot. I dropped a hash brown down the side of it and I can't get it out. I've got the whole boot trim in pieces pretty much while I'm respraying it. Got the drying shelf here for some interior bits. I've got tools and just miscellaneous stuff here. I've got wraps, I've got my old springs, I've got some cans. I've got some cans of stuff, got WD-40, got that, I've got just been to Halfords, got some white spirits, got 2 cans of plastic bumper paint, another can's down there, this can's here. Because Poundland ran out and the Poundland near me is actually closing down, and I went this morning, they didn't have any, so I just nipped straight across to Halfords and got some. It was a lot more expensive, but they're bigger cans, better quality, so it should be good. I washed my car this morning, you can't tell, because I drove through shit to get here. I don't think I've shown you guys this, because I'm a shit YouTuber and I forgot to vlog the rest. I painted this, I did show you this painted in the video, but I didn't show you me putting it on. So that's on, and I also took the number plate off. I went after work, came back to the garage, took the number plate off, masked it all up, and I've resprayed this bit behind it black. I just think it gives it a bit more of a, I don't know, a bit more of a cool look. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just waiting for some of this stuff to dry, and I can start rebuilding the back of the interior with some black pieces instead of cream. What I'm also going to do is take out the front pillar things today as well, hopefully, and respray those black. And eventually I'm going to get some, I'm either going to get a Cooper headliner, or I'm going to get some black fabric paint so I can do the rest of that. After a lot of wrestling, I've got all the trim back in for the back, so it's all black now. As you can see, apart from this part, all this is all black. But for now, I'm going to take my driver's seat out, so let's pull this seat back. There you go. I'll back the car up slightly so that it's more in line with the actual garage. And we'll get to taking the seat out. Shout out to Johnny for these sick mats. He's leaving some of his polo stuff in the garage, just like his parcel shelf and some little tools. I'll see if I can just take the rails off and then lift the seat off with the rails, that'd be easier. I thought I was filming me, but the ISO wasn't set right, so all you could see is pretty much white. So I'm not even going to bother putting that in. I've taken it all out and put it back in. I've got all the stuff out that was in there. It would be better if this carriage had electric so I could vac it out, but I'll have to do that at home or something sometime. Because there's tons of stuff on the floor mats and that, but I've banged it outside and that's it. I'm going to continue taking the dash apart to respray it, and then I've got the whole day booked off work, that's why I'm doing all this today. And then carry on with the back wiring. And that's pretty much all I need to do today, just respraying and wiring, and that's basically it, yeah. I forgot to bring my tripod again. I should really bring it to the garage and just leave it here. I'll use a chair instead. I'm not going to bother respraying the side ones because you never see those when the doors are shut anyway, and I'm basically just focusing on stuff that's actually in the interior itself. I mean, I know that's in the interior, but you never really see it, so I'm not wasting my time in paint and spraying it. Plus that one's sort of black anyway, standard, for some reason. For some reason some of the panels are black, like some of the panels are like dark grey, some of them are like cream. So some of them are this colour, which is dark grey, some of them are a bit darker grey, some of them are a lighter grey, and some of them are cream. God knows what the colour, whatever designer was thinking. I did the sun visors black. Hopefully you can see that. I resprayed them black with Poundland paint and it worked really well. I'm taking the piss to get this thing off. There's so many hidden screws. Don't even know if you're going to be able to see it, but there's a screw right there that I didn't see. There's probably more, so I'm just going to try and, well, I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm just going to get the thing out and then I'll update you once I'm spraying. Right, so I've learned how the these pillars at the side come out. When I say learn, I mean I took a guess and just ripped it, and luckily there's no screws holding it in, it's just clips. Piss easy. They're just held in with clips. So now I'm going to respray those. and put them all back in. So I'll do a time lapse of it probably. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little time lapse I just did. I've got it all. It's all currently on the drying shelf. Basically, the reason I resprayed that little glove box thing twice, I resprayed it once with Palman paint the other week, and again now with this Halfords paint. Basically, I've done it twice because I didn't know if it was going to be a different shade of black, so I just glossed over it anyway. But yeah, it's all drying, so I'm going to wait for that to dry. Meanwhile, I'm just going to chill, see if I can find out where I'm going to route that wire through under the carpet. And yeah, I'm probably not going to film that because it's just a bit boring stuff. So I'm just going to film when I put this stuff back in. But yeah, that was pretty cool. Had a good paint session. All finished. I can polish all these scratch marks off it. It's just on the surface of the plastic. I've cut a little hole down here for that to run out of, so it'll be like that. Look really clean. I think what I'm going to do is make it go under the back seat, under the carpet, along the side of the centre console, and then just into the plug. Like I said, I'm not going to film any of that. I didn't even think I was going to film this, to be fair, but I just thought I might as well show you guys because it looks pretty cool and it's finished. All that stuff should be dry, so I'll put that back in the car. I have already taken it upon myself to put these in. They look really nice, if it'll focus. There you go. So I've got black pillars now. A Cupra Sunstrip would be cool, unless I'm just paint this, but I'll have to get some fabric paint. But yeah, it should be pretty cool. And then obviously I'll make sure the actual plug back there works, and we're pretty much done. And I'll go to McDonald's for lunch and probably go home. But yeah, it's been a really good day so far. Been more than enough today, so I've packed all the stuff up, and I'm going to shut the garage and go to get some lunch from McDonald's. Finally routed the wire, so it goes from here out under this mat. You might be able to see it. Yeah, there you go. Goes under that seat, comes through here into the cabin, goes right there, as you can see. Then it goes in this centre console bit and comes back out here, plugs in there. I will be cleaning up all this plastic at some point, but for now it's just going to look like that. I'm going to plug my phone. I'm going to turn my car on, plug my phone in, and obviously it'll charge. So the dash cam should come on. That works. So I get my phone there. It's going to be awkward doing it one-handed. If I plug this end back into here, hey, it works. So now people in the back seat can charge their phone. Yeah, I'm off to Mackey's now. Cheers for watching this video. Hopefully you did enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.